an interesting story has been described by our Satsvarūpa Mahārāja in the Back to Garden. The learned scholar and the boatman. The boatman in Bengal, there are many rivers, and the people generally transport by boat service. So, a learned scholar from Calcutta, say, was going home in the village on a boat, and he was very happy. So he was asking the boatman, "My dear boatman, do you know what are these stars, these astronomy, how they are working?" "No, sir, I do not know." "Ah, your life is 25% lost. You do not know anything." Then after some time, you know the geology, how these earth, water, they are working. He said, "No, sir, I am poor man, what can I know?" "No, you are 50% of your life, you know." Then, all of a sudden, there was a cloud, black cloud on the sky, and there was storm. Then at that time, the boatman asked, said, "Do you know how to swim?" "No, I do not know." "Then 100% you are lost. You are going to be drowned." He jumped and he drowned. So this is the, you are trying to understand the whole analytical study of the material world. That is very good. But if you do not know how to remember Narayana at the time of death, then you are going to be cats and dogs. That's all. Because you are very fond of dog, especially in the Western countries. Every gentleman, every lady has a dog. So what do you think at the time of death? Dog. So that is nature's law. Janjanga vapi smarana bhavam tajattanti kalivanam, you will find in Bhagavad. At the time of death, the mental condition which have created, that will carry you to the next body. Therefore, don't create your mind doggish, make it Krishna conscious. And that is very nice. Then at the time of death, you remember Krishna and you will transfer to the Krishna Loka. That is described. Itavan sankhujugabhang. Therefore, it is advised, whatever you may be, it doesn't matter. Practice Krishna consciousness. That will save you. It is very important movement. Those who are very intelligent, they can take to it. Or you become intelligent or not intelligent. But you know, at least unless one is pious, he cannot take to this movement. But somehow or other, if you take this movement, then your this valuable life is successful. Janma lava parapunsha. It is not cats and dogs life. It is human form. Utilize it properly. Properly means to become Krishna conscious. Not dog conscious, cat conscious, or this conscious. No, these will not help you. Krishna conscious. Then we'll be able to remember Krishna at the time of death, and your this valuable life is properly utilized. Janma lava parapunsha. You have got very nice, valuable body. But it will be properly utilized if you learn how to remember Narayana at the time of death. Thank you very much.